How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to crack your knuckles, the easiest tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Super simple. I used to do this every time before I used to train for my typing sessions. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your palm and then right above your second knuckle, so first knuckle, second knuckle, you're going to push like this. So listen real carefully. And again, you just heard a very loud crack. Again, it might not sound that loud because of the camera, but it was super loud. So you're gonna do this about 10 times. Now, the point of this, the sound doesn't matter. A lot of people think cracking your knuckles, it's all about sound. Sound has nothing to do with it. Some people will be able to make a loud sound. Some people might not make any sound at all. That doesn't mean you still can't crack your knuckles. So again, just like this. And again, a little bit of a sound, but not much. Again, it's that first crack that really gets the loud sound. The next ones aren't going to be as loud. That one was actually decent. So that's 4, 5, 6. And again, the palm is right against the top of the knuckle like this. 10, just like that. That's perfect. Next hand. And again, you didn't hear any crack. I just did it. No crack at all. This hand can make loud cracking sounds. This one really doesn't. And everyone's going to be like that. Normally, the dominant hand is going to be the one that makes the loudest sounds. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll take a quick little 10-second break. And I'll just keep talking. So again, I did this all the time when I'm training for typing. Again, before I started typing, training for it, I would type about 95, 100 words per minute. Now I type about 130 words per minute. So again, interlock your hands. Now we're just gonna press down. This cracks your knuckles. Even though you might not hear the sound, this is a great way to crack your knuckles, and it's the simplest way. All you do is you interlock your fingers and then press down like this. That's 8, 9, 10. And again, the reason why I crack my knuckles is tension relief, if you will. It feels good in your hands. And also it makes me type for longer periods of time because my hands don't get as sore. Okay, quick little break. The next thing that we're gonna do is you're gonna interlock your hands again, but this time you're gonna press out like this. So again, interlock and press out. When I do this one, normally you interlock for this one, your fingers are about right here. For this one, I go all the way down. So it's a little bit of a different feeling. So again, I'm like this, and then I push out. The other exercise when I'm doing this, my fingers are about right here, then I press down. So I'm really working this area right here for the top of the knuckle, and then the other one's more of the bottom knuckle. And that's just what I've been doing for the last 2 years. And it really helps to crack the knuckles. It feels amazing. Like my hands right now, they feel amazing. So that's why I do it. Again, tension relief makes your knuckles feel really good. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.